and reliable
This shit
phone
is
service.
bad. Look at this.
Verizon gets your small business listed on over 100 search sites. Call 866-MY-TALK today. Verizon high-speed internet and phone, the hardest working network in business. For businesses who sign up for select bundle plans, a new phone line and or internet service in select areas of New York, New Jersey.
He got it before.
Via bill credit. Standard charges apply after 6-month trial. Activation taxes, fees, and other terms apply. Offer ends 6/4/11.
With News Time 1029, here's the AccuWeather 4-day forecast. An ice storm warning for Passaic, Bergen, Western Essex, Western Union, Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and northern Westchester counties until 6 o'clock tomorrow night. Ice storm warning for Hunterdon, Somerset, and Middlesex counties until 4 p.m. and freezing rain advisories for the city and Long Island until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Sleet freezing rain will lead to a serious buildup of ice, which can
not good.
Ultimately reaching 33 degrees by daybreak. Ice changing to rain early in the city, Long Island, and Jersey Shore, but heavier rain to the north and west of the city.